Hi everyone, today I have an unboxing and review of Columbia Minx Shorty 3 waterproof 200 gram insulated winter boots. Enjoy. So I bought these from Dick's Sporting Goods online, and they arrived through UPS in under a week. And all of the reviews online for this style of boot said to order a half size up to a full size up. And I ordered a half size up because I like my boots a little bit more tight fitting. If you wear more cushioned socks during the winter, you might want to do the full size up. But we'll see how the half size up worked out. So I ordered these in black khaki color. There was a few things I wanted in a boot, winter boot. I wanted good traction on the bottom of the soles of the boots, and Columbia has this Omni Grip technology on the bottom of some of their boots. So I wanted to test that out this winter. I also wanted a boot that had insulation in it. So this one has 200 grams of insulation in there to keep my feet toasty warm during the winter. And I also wanted a boot that was waterproof because I'm out there shoveling in the winter. I'm out there walking the dog around the neighborhood. So I wanted my feet to stay dry. I was debating between the Shorty and the mid. The mid just gives you more coverage, and we have tough winters out here in New York, so I don't know if that will impact the quality of the boot for what I need it for. Last winter was pretty calm. We didn't have a ton of snow. So that's kind of why I went with the Shorty instead of the mid. The mid would help, you know, if you're always out there shoveling high levels of snow, or you're just somebody who wants more insulation and warmth around your legs during the winter when you're out there. Now these will keep your feet warm, supposedly, of 25 degrees below zero. So Fahrenheit. So that's what I'm excited about, that they'll be a warm boot. So I'm going to go and try these on. They look great. I'm going to check the size, if I can find that. Oh, here it is. Yep. And they're both correct, the size I ordered. So I'm going to go try these on now. Overall, the fit of this boot was great with a half size up. It's very warm inside with all of the insulation that's in there. And the grip technology on the bottom of the sole of the boot made me feel centered to the earth. So it was easy to walk in, but since there's no heel, you didn't feel like you were going to fall over or trip or anything. So I'm really excited to see how these work this winter. But my overall first impression is positive, and I feel comfortable recommending the Columbia Minx Shorty 3 waterproof 200 gram insulated winter boot. So get out there and get yours.